Hello friends, I am Himanshu, and in this particular video we are going to understand few more options in autofill, and predominantly with the help of tools. The first thing that need to be understand here, that autofill will not apply only when you are doing an autofill downwards. What I mean to say, I have made the selection of this particular cell downwards. Yes, it's happening, but this may happen when you are going upwards also. Here autofill, if I want to do, yes, it has happened, and fill series option. Similarly, it will work if you are going in the left side and if you are moving towards the right side. So autofill will apply in all directions. Now coming to the second point, how to make use of a tool. Here 7 is written in one of the cell, and I want up till the level of 101. So, and also the step value has to be 2, like after 7 I want 9, 11, 13 up till the level of 101. So I can do it manually also by selecting this as 9, making the selection of both the cell and dragging it up till the level of 101. But I'm not going to do this. I will do it with the help of tool. So I've made the selection of this cell, then under home tab you need to go to this fill option, and there you will find series. Click on series, and because you want it to be happened column wise, so you need to do the selection of columns. Here the step value I want 2 and the stop value I want 101. That's it. Click OK. So do it and you will find from 7 up till the level of 101 the autofill has worked. Now there are a few more options. If I have written, let's say 11, and I want the autofill to be happen downwards, you can do the selection including this particular cell, and then you can press Ctrl D. Actually what is happening here, this is one of the short key. I'm doing Ctrl Z, and this is in old format right now. So what has happened actually, so you need to do the selection like this. You need to go to the fill option once again. Here you can see the down options. So the short key also you can see, which is Ctrl D. So this is what happening. Also there is the option of doing the autofill in the right section, Ctrl R, and similarly you can do the autofill in the upward and in the left side as well. Now the next option that need to be understand is the justify option. I'm writing few names here, separated with space. Here the thing that I'm going to do is justify. What does this mean? In a single cell all this name has been written, and I want this name to be in separate cell. So here column width is cell width is something very important. So I have made a selection, and I will make sure the width is quite less. It has to be that much less where a single name should come. So I've done that. Width is already less, and go to fill option, select justify and click OK. Here you go. Now opposite to that, now there's some data which is in separate cell. I want it to be in a single cell. Here again width is important. Make sure the width is wide enough so that it may take all the name. Do the selection, go to fill and click on justify. So this is how you can make use of justify. If you have seen all of my videos, then not so much, but then again you have mastered a bit in autofill specifically. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.